An Allplan student license is valid for 1 year. The exact expiry date is shown here in the License Manager. You can extend your license every year until you finish your studies. To extend an Allplan student license, you need to apply for an extension on Allplan Campus. That's just as quick and easy as a license application. Log on to Allplan Campus and go to the license here. Complete the form and submit it. Now upload the current certificate of registration from your educational institution. For example, your student ID card or your certificate of enrollment. Accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. We will verify your application details and send you a confirmation email. Verification may take up to a week. If you haven't heard from us after a week and our email has not ended up in your spam folder, please send us an email to info@allplan-campus.com. Finished. For the next steps, we will open the License Manager. To start the License Manager, select Start, All Programs, Nemetschek, Nemetschek Soft Lock. When running Windows 7, you need to start the License Manager as an administrator. For this, right-click here and select Run as Administrator. Now click on License Request and follow the instructions in the wizard. Your client ID and the CD key are normally entered automatically, but if they aren't, you will find them on your Allplan Campus start page. Please note that the codes are case sensitive. Make sure the email address you enter here is correct. The license request has to be sent from this email account, and the license file will be sent to the email address you enter here. Confirm your entries with Next, and then Next once again. In the next step, you will create a registration file and email it to us. For this, select the second option. Save the registration file. And copy it to a place where you can easily find it again later, for example, the desktop. OK. Now send an email to license@nemetschek.de and attach the registration file. The license request has to be sent from the email address with which you are registered on Allplan Campus and which you just entered in the License Manager. If all the information is correct, you will get an email reply containing a license file, like before with the first-time installation. Double-click, OK, and finished. If that doesn't work, save the file on your computer and then open it by clicking here on Install License. It's important that you don't make any changes to the hardware from the time you request a license to the time you install the license. Sometimes it's enough to just disconnect a wireless LAN stick and the license will fail to recognize the computer. You would then get the message that the license was not created for this computer or that it is defective. In this case, request a license again. You can use the same CD key and client ID as before. You can only use a license file once. Perfect. The license status has changed now. You can now use Allplan for another year.